All right, y'all, so I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a slamming badass alkaline protein shake. High calorie though, because we want to gain some weight, right? So what I have is, you want to get some organic almond milk. You want to get some spelt, S-P-E-L-T. You can get that from Whole Food or Outpost. Just get the spelt, okay? You can blend it up at home. I have a video on my channel to teach you how to make spelt flour. That spelt flour can be interchangeable to protein, a protein powder, okay? You want to get you some Brazil nuts, and then organic organic bananas, okay? So you're going to be doing 2 cups of this, 2 cups of organic milk. Once you blend the spelt flour down, you want to do a 1/2 cup of that in your protein, in your cup, right? Then you want to do Brazil nuts. You can get those at Trader Joe's, which I got them for like $6.99. Pretty reasonable, right? You get 1/4 cup. 1/4 is 400 calories. Put 1/4 cup in your shake. Banana. A banana is 100 calories, okay? Total that up, this shake is 980 calories. So here you guys go. This is what you want to put in your, so almond milk, 2 cups, spelt, a 1/2 cup of spelt. Once you blend it up, I actually got the how to make spelt flour, which is pretty much interchangeable to spelt powder, protein powder. Well, not really protein powder, but spelt powder, right? That's gonna help you gain weight. Brazil nuts, 1/4 of Brazil nuts and 1 banana, okay? All together, this drink is gonna be 980 calorie drink. If you drink 2 of these a day, you're getting in 1,960 calories a day, right? That's gonna help really boost the mass on your body, because before, I was actually doing it the lazy way. I was going to Walmart and I was buying this. I didn't use this for too long. I was doing it the lazy way, which is not good because it has probably got a lot of chemicals in there. Let's see. I mean, they got stuff in here I can't even pronounce, okay? Which is probably not good for you, all right? So this is all alkaline, and you'll be able to gain healthy weight gain, all right? And you don't have to guess about what the ingredients, what's in the ingredients. For the ladies or the gentlemen, want to do it the way that you want to never cut corners, okay? Because I was at Outpost today. I tried to buy some spelt flour, which we're going to be using that for like a protein shake powder, right? Because it's high in calories. And I found out that it's a lot of the stuff that was already processed in like flour-like substance, it contained wheat. We don't want that. We do not want wheat. All right, we want to get all the ingredients that are alkaline, that does not contain wheat. All right, so let me just move this up and I'll let you know how it tastes. Yesterday, this is my first day using the spelt flour, which is interchangeable to what we're gonna call it our spelt powder. I don't know if I told you, but to sweeten it up a little bit, use organic agave nectar. This is alkaline as well. Dr. Sabi talks a lot about it. Let me see. Let me just kind of, because a lot of it is sitting at the top and it's not being blended. So I gotta shake it a little bit. know this should be good enough. So this is gonna be taste test. Because yesterday I've been making my shakes without the spelt powder in there. And it's been really good. But now I have the spelt to kind of increase the calories, and I want to see what it tastes like. So cheers. Let's see what it tastes. It don't taste any different. The taste is not any different from me not including the spelt powder in it. So you get a more high in calories with the spelt powder in there. So again, it's gonna be almond milk, 2 cups, half a cup of spelt powder. Once you get your spelts in the bowl, you wanna blend it up. I just got a regular NutriBullet RX blender. Brazil nuts, okay? 1/4 cup, that's 400 calories. And 1 banana, which is 100 calories. Altogether, this is a 980 calorie drink. Drink 2 of these a day. You're getting in 1,960 calories. Let's just say you want to drink 3 of these a day. You do the math, okay? Because I'm using my phone. I don't got my calculator available to me. So you do the math. So I'm doing this because I've noticed that I've lost some weight and I want to gain some weight, right? I want to gain some really healthy weight instead of packing on the weight with processed foods and just foods that are just not nutritional, right? So I'm doing it with nutritional value foods. This is beer. I'm not saying it's bearable, but this is actually pretty good. Yeah. All right, y'all. Let me know how this works for you. Like, I'm probably going to be on it for, like, weigh yourself before you start taking these shakes. And then I'm going to be on it for, like, 3 weeks. So this week, Saturday, it would be my first week, right? So I'm going to be on it 3 weeks, and then I'm going to weigh myself to see, what's, like how things, and, just kind of putting on my clothes, see if things are fitting tighter for me. And I'm gonna weight myself as well to see if I'm actually gaining that weight. So I want to please, like, join me if you're a person that's looking to gain weight, healthy weight with nutritionally valued foods. Definitely incorporate this in your diet. There's a lot of vegan, a lot of alkaline chefs out here that can teach you how to make other stuff too. But right now I'm just drinking my shakes and I'm like eating like all alkaline foods in my diet as well. So yeah, so let's be on this 3-week journey. Let's see how much weight we can gain and how much weight we can actually gain in 3 weeks, and we all can pretty much see if this is actually effective, if this drink is actually effective. Because I was looking around, like, I'm on the internet, I'm like, alkaline, high calorie drinks. I couldn't find nothing, okay? And I'm just like, okay, so it didn't even dawn on me to create something, but I did say to myself, I need to create something. I actually created something, and it's 100% alkaline, okay? And, like, make sure when you get the almond milk, do not get anything other than organic almond milk. Because this almond milk has organic almonds, sea salt, and water. If you get anything other than almond milk, it's gonna have some other stuff in there, and it won't be alkaline. All right, so join me. It's gonna be I would say like a 3 week. After 3 weeks, we're gonna weigh ourselves, see how it is. After a month, we're gonna weigh ourselves, see what we weigh, whatever. See if we notice a difference, and we can all be a testimony to show the world that this actually works. All right, take care.